Hi friends, this is me Stace, and for today's video we are making this really cute pinwheel card. I've made this card before on my channel, but it's such a cute card I thought we would go ahead and make it again. This one is in like a July 4th theme. Alright, so to make the card, you will need a piece of cardstock for the base. This measures 8.5 by 5.5, scored in the center at 4 1/4. 2 pieces of white cardstock. They both measure 4 by 5 1/4. One for the outside, one for the inside. Then for the pinwheel piece, you will need 2 squares. They both measure 2 5/8 by 2 5/8. Then you will need 8 squares that measure 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. And you want 4 of them to be one pattern and 4 to be another pattern. So you can see them there. And I also have a strip on the inside of my card right here. That piece measures 1/2 inch by 5 1/2. Then for the greeting, my gray square measures 2 1/4 by 1, and my white square measures 3/4 by 2. All right, and I already have that stamped. Let's go to make the pinwheel. All right, so I'm going to bring in my liquid glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue, and we're going to glue these 2 squares together to create like a diamond pattern. Doesn't need to be exact, but close to it. Okay, so that's the base of our pinwheel. Then we have our squares, and we're just going to basically line them up on the corners of the pinwheel and alternating the patterns. So I'm going to go ahead and do the red one. And you want to leave about 1/8 of an inch of the gray showing. Then we'll do this one in the next corner, so all the corners. Okay, our next pattern. And you can easily change this up just by the papers you use. So it'd be really cute for a birthday card, a Christmas card I think would be really fun. All right, so I need this pattern here. And the last one is the trickiest, because you have to go over one of them and under the other one. And I didn't really focus on my stripes going the same way, but that's okay. All right, so we have our last 2. What I'm going to do is glue half of this down. So I'm just going to do the one corner of this one. Okay, and get that in place right there. Okay, so I can still lift it up. And then this one, I need to go under this one. Let me grab my Cricut spatula or something to go under that one there. Okay, just loosen that one up a little bit. Okay, let's grab this one. All right, so we're going to go under and over, just like that. Actually, that's not right. We're going to go under this one. There we go. Okay, so lift this one up. That one can stay down. All right, you get that in there. If you need to lift it up more, you can do that. Okay, and then just put some glue on this one and then glue it down. Okay, and that is our pinwheel. Super cute, right? Now to hide that gathering in the middle, I just have a button, and I did put some white yarn through it and some sticky strip on the back of that. And we're just going to go ahead and put that right in the center, like that. I'm going to flip it over and pop it up. I'm going to do all the corners and then one in the center. And then we'll finish off the card. Okay. Let's give them a squish. All right, now for the card, you can see I did add some twine. It's not even twine, it's embroidery floss. I like it, and you get a lot more, and it's a lot cheaper than twine, so why not, right? I'm going to take a good strand of that, cut it off. Then I also have just white yarn. Okay, we're going to take the blue. I'm going to double it up like that. Let me go ahead and cut this. All right, so I'm going to actually do the 3 together. So I have my 2 strands of blue and I have my 1 strand of white. I'm going to take this and I'm going to grab these guys. Where's my washi? Right here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take some washi tape. Okay, I'm going to line it up and put that one down on the bottom of the card. Fold it over the back side. And then put your tape down to hold that in place. And then do the other one. Just bring it over and eyeball it. You can also go wonky if you want to. I'm going to try to go straight. Okay, bring that over. Let's grab our washi tape to hold that down. I'm going to clip this off. And then for the rest of this, let me get rid of all that extra white there. For the rest of this, I'm going to tie into a little bow. Just go under. And I'm going to tie it on the right-hand side. If you don't do bows, you can also just do a simple knot. Okay, there's our bow. Fix your loops. Get them how you want them. All right, let's go ahead and clip off the rest. All right, flip it over. I'm using my ATG Advanced Tape Glider. I'm going to adhere this to the front of our card. Okay, so put that on there, straight center. And we have our pinwheel piece. Take the backings off of these. Isn't it a simple card? It's one of those cards that has that wow factor to it. I say that a lot with cards. If they have that wow factor, it makes the recipient of the card say, wow, you made that. Because it looks so complicated, but it's actually a really easy card to make. All right, so put that there. Now for the greeting, I'm going to flip that over. And I'm going to add 4 smaller foam squares. We don't have the small ones, just go ahead and cut your big ones in half. And you want to put them on the very edge, on the corners, because we're gonna have that go over here. I don't want the bulk from the twine. Give them a squish. So our twine will kind of go in that groove right there. Or our embroidery floss. And mine just says Celebrate, and this is a stamp from May Made It. I believe it's called, what's it called? Celebrate the New. Okay, so that's going to go there. All right, so to finish the card off on the inside, very simple. Take our white and our strip. And you can do this on the left-hand side, the right-hand side, top, bottom, on an angle. It's up to you. All right, so I'm going to just put that there. Okay, flip it over, trim off the extra, and our card's done. So super fast little card. Like I said, I made the card before, but it's such a cute card, and I thought maybe if you haven't seen it on my channel, now you can. All right, let's go and glue this in. Alrighty, and we're going to put that on the inside, just like that. Super simple card, right? But definitely has that wow factor. So we have that one there, this one there, and I do have a card kit for you guys as well. You receive everything that I made, the card, the button, the yarn, the twine, everything, as well as an envelope, and you'll receive one of these cards as well. So you can mail one, you can mail, so you have a finished card you can mail off, and one you can make. To be entered in the drawing for my card kit, just go to my website, be the first to comment on the coordinated blog post, which will be linked below, and you'll be the winner of the card kit. All right, my friends, there you have it, a really simple pinwheel card. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.